Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's ride is all about escaping the city and chaos of Bangalore and diving deep into nature. So we are starting from Hibal, Bangalore and cruising through some beautiful countryside roads all the way to the beautiful hidden gem in Tamil Nadu, which is called the Vanamma Lake. It's roughly around 100 kilometers. So this ride is all about the scenic routes, open highways, lush green field, and that's a perfect calm vibe every biker dreams of. So grab your helmet and hit the like button and let's ride into the wild. Let's go. So we have total of six riders today, two pillion and total of four bikes. And I'm going with my friends, and we have entered Tamil Nadu. And good to say that Tamil Nadu roads are very good. Even the state highways are amazing. Let's enjoy the ride. Another 30 minutes to go. I'm just enjoying this ride. A lovely and a beautiful road. Cruising about at 100 speed. A very comfortable one. Top-notch roads. And it's green everywhere. So we have almost reached the lake, and we have to go through this small off-road. Is it good enough? A lot of green patch here since monsoons have started earlier. The pre-monsoon showers are very heavy in Bangalore and Chennai, maybe Tamil Nadu region. You can see the lake. Looks so beautiful. People come out here to do camping, and I would request my followers and subscribers to not litter this place, and let's enjoy the place and not litter the place. That's what we require if we want to live with the nature. The off-road is decent one, not that difficult, moderate, and the water is clean. The one thing which I like about this lake is you can ride all over the lake, complete the whole circle, and here's the time lapse of the place. Let's get ready for some drone shots. Oh, you can see the aerial view of this amazing place. Let's go more up. A very beautiful place, and it looks amazing from above. It actually feels better when you see things from above. And let's go more up, and I can see this face of a horse kind of a thing from this lake. Beautiful clouds. good half day ride from Bangalore to Tamil Nadu, which was one of